In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a file in CPanel on Namecheap step by step. This is a very useful process if you want to upload website files, images, backups, or any other file directly into your hosting account without needing extra software. It's quick, simple, and once you know where everything is, you can do it in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy web hosting and website management tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you are inside your account, look at the menu and go to Account, then click Dashboard. This will take you to your main account overview where you can manage all of your services. Now on the dashboard, find your hosting list. This section shows all of the hosting accounts connected to your Namecheap profile. If you have more than one hosting plan, make sure you choose the correct one. Next, click Go to CPanel for the hosting account you want to use. This will open the CPanel control panel, which is where you can manage your website files, databases, email accounts, and more. Once CPanel opens, look for File Manager and click on it. File Manager is the tool that lets you browse your hosting folders and upload files directly from your computer. After File Manager opens, you need to select the folder where you want to upload the files. This part is important because uploading to the wrong folder can cause your files to not work correctly on your website. For example, if you are uploading website files, you may need to place them in the public/HTML folder. If you are uploading something else, choose the correct directory for your setup. When you are inside the right folder, click the Upload button at the top of the File Manager window. This will open the upload screen. From here, you can either drag and drop your files or browse your computer and select the file you want to upload. Choose the file from your device and let it upload completely. If you have multiple files, you can upload them one by one or in a batch, depending on the file size and your connection speed. Once the upload finishes, go back to File Manager and confirm that your file appears in the folder you selected, and that's it. You've successfully uploaded a file in CPanel on Namecheap. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.